Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And it was a while ago that I backed a campaign for these really cool Xpand shoelaces. Xpand has another version of their shoelaces, an older version. They came out with this new one. This is the round lacing system. I will put a link where you get more information. There are a lot of colors that they come in, very affordable. And you can see color coordinated these with my shoes. And I got additional ones as well. Now, when you're checking on the website, they may have them available with a reflective option or non-reflective, but keep checking back with the link to see what the options are. So again, a lot of different colors. I got navy and gray, and then there's a black. So really, really cool. And this is what the packaging looks like. Instructions, it's really easy to do. You can cut it down to size, and they're holding up well. It's so nice not to have to tie my shoes. I have to tell you, absolutely love it. The system really works great. When I first saw it, I was like, it looks okay. But now that I have it, it's awesome. And a lot of times I don't even tie it where it's locked in place. So basically the way it works is this pulley, you just pull, and there's a little slot where you slide the shoelace through, and then it locks in place like that. And now you can tie it to the different level, and you can have the length to where you want it to be. Really fantastic. It's got a lot of flexibility to the shoelaces. It's kind of like a bungee type of material. I absolutely love it. It's cool. And I love not tying my shoelaces. So I definitely want to give big kudos to the company. I've had them on my shoes now for a good 2-3 weeks, and I absolutely love it. I'd have all my sneakers in the future with them. So easy slip on. You don't have to worry about tying your shoes. You'll love them. And it's great too, if you're really into color coordination, you can color coordinate because they have just almost every option possible. So I'll put for this version as well as for the older version, if I can get that link as well. And I appreciate using that link. Also, thanks for liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and to the company designing these shoelaces, thank you. I love them, highly, highly recommend them. Go out and get them, make your life so much easier when tying your shoes. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.